Alright guys, as you can see, this CERAKOTE puts a shine like no other on. I'm letting it dry and I might do a second coat, but this stuff was super crappy, as you could see earlier in the video. But yeah, it looks pretty darn good. Just kind of hit random parts on the side-by-side, and I think I probably could have did a better job on like layering it. There is some streaks. I don't know if that's gonna dry up or not, but you know what? It's just a little project side by side, and she seems looking pretty good. But yeah, so far so good. We're gonna let this thing set for a little bit. You see the difference under here. I only went so far. That's what it looked like before. That's what it looks like now. So we'll get some shots here once this thing is all cured up, and then maybe put a second coat on it. Okay, we'll let this thing dry up for an hour or so. Looks much better than what it did. It's about like a 10-footer, I would say. The gloves that came in this kit were horrible. They fell apart instantly after I put them on. But either way, the product seems to work pretty good. It is hard with all these like nooks and crannies to try to get like a nice even layer. Wasn't able to do that all that well, but it still came out pretty nice. Maybe if you did a second coat and worked on it and worked on it a little more, it would come out. I don't know. I'm happy with it either way. We're going to work on just doing mostly all this down here too, just to make this thing look nice and clean. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them in the comment section below. As always, God bless.